Hi there, it's Liz Hoppy. In this video series, I'm showing a few tips and tricks for teachers. And in this video, we're going to focus on how to use QR codes. My favorite website to generate QR codes is called goqr.me. And when you go to that website, it's going to first drop you to add text. Now you could type a message in here and then copy the QR code it generates. But what I use more often is I click on the globe and then I can put in a website. When you paste your website in, it's going to generate that code automatically. You'll see it changing. And as soon as you have that code, you can right click on it or two finger click if you're on a touchpad and choose copy image. Once you've copied that image, you're going to paste it into maybe a Google Doc, or I make my posters in Google Slides. I just changed the page size to 8.5 by 11. So you can paste those anywhere you need it to be so you can print it. If you're making a family letter and you want to direct families somewhere, you can paste a QR code right in the family letter. All they'll have to do is aim their phone camera and scan it, and they'll take them to the website. This is also a helpful way to get share links to maybe a Google Doc or a Google Slide Deck or something like that. You can use that share. Make sure anyone with the link can view so that they don't get blocked. Anyways, after you've copied and pasted the first code, if you have another website, you could just paste that new website in, and that live preview of the QR code is going to update every time. So it's really easy to just quickly copy a link, copy and paste the QR code, and then paste where you need it, and then do another one. You can do quite a few really quickly. But I have a bonus for you. Now, this is a Chrome feature. Let's say you're in the middle of class and students are asking about electricity, and you do a Google search and you preview a quick article from Britannica Kids maybe that's going to be a perfect solution to answer their questions, and you want them to have it as the resource. Now, there are a lot of ways. If you're on Chromebooks, you could use securely to push the link to them. There are all kinds of things you can do, but Chrome has a really cool feature I want to show you. When you click up in the address bar, you'll see this little icon, and what that's going to do is automatically generate the code. So if you're projecting this maybe on the screen in your classroom, you can just generate that QR and have your students scan it, and they can go to that same website really quickly. So I want to show you what this looks like. Let's say I find this really cool video. It's Emily's Wonder Lab about science experiments at home, and I want my students to open it when they have a chance. So I just want to make a QR code that they can scan whenever, or maybe I'm sending it home to families. I can grab this link or click share and copy that link, and then I can go to goqr.me. Remember, I'm going to click on the globe. I'm going to paste that in, and then I'm going to right click and choose copy image and then paste it wherever I want it to be. Okay, now also though, since it's a website, if I'm in class and I want students to go there, look, as soon as I click in the address, there's my QR code that when I click there, it'll automatically generate. So if I'm in class and students can go to the screen and scan it, I have that option too. So that's a little bit about QR codes. I hope it helps. Remember, sometimes the smallest gimmick, like directing students somewhere using a QR code, makes learning more fun and engaging than just go to this website. So it's kind of fun to make it, it's like a scavenger hunt with QR codes. So I encourage you to give them a try and see how you like it.